Hello students, today I will tell you about a new topic, light. From where we are getting light? Our main source of light is sun. Sun is our main source of light. Okay. Sunlight is coming, passing through the space and reaching the earth. There is an atmosphere around the earth up to ozone layer. So up to here, there will be air, atmosphere will be there. So sun rays are traveling through the space and falling on the earth. But if you went into the space, you are between earth and the sun, you can't see the light. That will be dark. Because for example, if you are here, at this point you cannot see the light. It will be dark. You will be in space. But after you enter into the Earth's atmosphere, you can see the light. That is due to because of a scattering. Scattering is a phenomenon that if light enters into the atmosphere of the Earth, the light will scatter. That means reflect in different directions. So that's why our sky is appearing in blue. Why? Because our atmosphere is containing oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen gas and nitrogen gas are abundant in our atmosphere. If the light rays fall on the molecules of these gases, the light ray will scatter. Means after falling onto the molecule of the a molecule of these two gases, the light ray will scatter. That means divide, and it will reflect in different ways. That means scattering. Because of that scattering, it is appearing like blue. That's why that scattering light appears like a blue. The light ray will contain 7 colors: B, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These 7 colors mixed and it will be like a white color. If all these 7 colors are mixed, the light will be in white color. In the rainbow, it undergoes dispersion, and these 7 colors will divide. White light will be divided into 7 colors due to dispersion of light. But here scattering means it will be converted, it will be scattered, it will be divided into only one color. Because of oxygen and nitrogen molecules present in the atmosphere, the white colored light which is coming from the sun falling on the molecules of this, and it is scattering into, it is reflecting into different directions. And which light it is scattering? Only blue color light is scattering. That's why our sky appears in blue color. So that's why if you are here and anywhere, you can see the light. But if you are here, there is no particles to scatter the light. So that's why here it is very dark. In the daily life, where we will see scattering. For example, in the morning time, if you open the windows or from the ventilator, sunlight will come and fall into your room. There you can see some light rays is falling on you. And in the forest, in the thick forest, some of the light rays will enter into the forest through the holes between the leaves. From that holes, you can see the light ray is falling on the ground. You can see a light ray. Now also in our lab also we can have a scattering. For that we should have a laser light. Let me switch off these lights. See, now it is a dark place. Wait. Do you see the light there? Do you see the light there? I'm using laser light. Did you see the light there? Yes, you can see. But you cannot see the path. See, in this way the laser light is traveling up to there. But you are not able to see the path. Why? Because it is all dark here. Why? Because very less amount of particles are there here. If you put any particles here, then this light ray will scatter through the particles and we can see the way how the light is going. Can you hold this for me? On the board. See, there is a disturbance in the medium due to presence of these particles. The light ray is falling on the particles and it is scattered into That means the light ray is reflecting through these particles. This phenomena is called a scattering.